All right, ladies and gentlemen, I got the Subaru out in the driveway right now, but I got a box sitting right here. And I just want to say big thanks to Jeff Perrin over there at Perrin Performance for providing the first performance mod for the Type R, which I already have ready to go in the garage so we can work on it. So stay tuned. Let me show you exactly what he sent us. All right, so Jeff sent me an email saying that he had a test unit laying around, saying that it was a test unit and they didn't need it anymore. So instead of just throwing it away, they would send it over to me. So there you go. This is probably not the original packaging that's going to come with if you were to order one of these for yourself. Oh, heck yeah, brother. Check this out. We got a new intercooler. Yeah, it's not perfect, but like I said, it's a used unit, but you know what? It will work. So in case you guys didn't know, if you're coming from the Subaru community, the Type R does come stock with a front mount intercooler. But it's funny because I did have another front mount intercooler on order already, so I don't know exactly what we're gonna do with this one. We might do a giveaway, I don't know, we will see. So stay tuned, guys. So if you own a Type R, I know I don't have a big Type R subscription base, but you know, if you are, then yeah, we'll figure something out, guys. There we go. Front mount intercooler. Yes. Okay, so I saw a tutorial on how to remove the front bumper. I think Mishimoto put out a video and it seems pretty complicated. Well, not complicated, but there's a lot of steps in removal of the OEM bumper, but I think we got this. I think we should be fine. Definitely a lot more complicated than the Subaru front bumper. First time taking off the front bumper, but even at the stock power levels, I'm still enjoying the way the car drives. I mean, you don't need a whole bunch of horsepower to enjoy a car. I mean, yeah, it's fun to be able to just mash the throttle and go fast in a straight line, but I don't think this car is about that. I missed the pop clip. I think it's more about handling and precision more than anything else. On the Subaru, I can literally take out the front bumper in less than 5 minutes. Part of the whole dang installation was taking off this stupid bumper. All right, these are pretty cool. The brake ducts are actually a lot bigger than I thought. These brake ducts, the openings on the front bumper, you can't actually see. But wow, these go into the wheel well and direct air to the front brakes. Pretty cool. This bracket needs to come off. And then there's two 12s right here that need to come off on each side. It's pretty cool. They got deflectors right here that actually direct airflow straight through the intercooler. Otherwise, without these, the air would just simply go around the intercooler. But yeah, it's cool. Comes stock with a front mount intercooler. I can already tell the size difference between the OEM intercooler and the aftermarket intercooler. Well, there is a huge difference. Hopefully we can reuse these parts right here. I think, in theory, this should come out now. Wow, there you go. That was super easy. The front bumper removal took most of the time. And these do have O-rings, which we're gonna transfer over. Looks like we got some oil in our charge pipes. Is there an air oil separator or something for the Type R? Where we can kind of mitigate some of that? That needs to go. Yeah, definitely a huge difference. Perrin, stock. Perrin, stock. Yeah. Perfect fit. Make sure that the gaskets are seated correctly so we don't cause any leaks. I think we're good to go. I don't know if we have to do any trimming. I hope not. I really hope not. Got all the tabs cut out. It wasn't too bad. It took me about 5 minutes or so. With my trusty little multi-tool, you can use a Dremel. I don't know where my Dremel is at, so I had to use this. Worked just fine. It's not pretty, but I don't really care because no one's ever going to see this. Let's move it this way so that we can pull it over. Yes, there you go. Keep it functional, guys. All right, other side's done. Maybe if I can put some weather stripping right here to keep air from going out. That's good. Yo, what up, B? All right, and there you go. Perrin front mount intercooler is fully installed, and I will admit the install wasn't that bad at all. I think most of my time was taken up by trying to figure out how to remove the front bumper, and once I figured out, everything was smooth as sailing. The actual intercooler part install and removal of the OEM intercooler was super duper easy. The only thing that was kind of a pain was having to trim some of those pieces, but that only took me about 5 minutes. Now, when it comes to any power gains, now what people were telling me I might or might not feel a power gain. I don't know, I'm not sure. I'm still new to this platform. I'm not afraid to admit that. But for me to take advantage of the full power gains of a front mount intercooler, I will need a tune. So that will be coming. I do have a whole bunch of parts coming from, I think it's PRL Motorsports. I mean, it's a lot of stuff. So we're gonna have a whole bunch of installs coming to the channel when it comes to the Type R. But right now I'm also looking for a tuner who can tune the Type R on a dyno in my local area. So if you are in Washington State and you know a tuner that can tune the Type R, please comment down in the description below. But yeah, pretty much this is gonna be full bolt-ons. I also ordered the flex fuel kit. I totally forgot exactly what I ordered, but I'm telling you it's a whole bunch of stuff. But yeah, let's take this on the road. What can go wrong, right? Let's make sure that we're all good to go. Should no check engine lights. I think we're good. Yeah, let's go give it a good old test drive. I was supposed to wash the car today, but man, it's getting too late now. It's almost 4 o'clock, and you know, it's winter time and the sun's about to go down. So I'm telling you, the car or the Type R needs a serious detail. Well, not a serious detail, but it needs to be coated. So I need to polish it and do all that stuff to it. So, but more on that later. Let me put it in R mode. I really enjoy comfort mode when you're just cruising around. Here we go. Oh wow, it feels really good. Can't say if I feel a gain just yet, but I know once we get all the parts on there, once we get a dyno tune, yes, we should definitely feel a gain. But yeah, the car pulls really good. Let's give it one more go. Around, yeah, right here. Wow, not bad, huh? What do you guys think? So, like I said, once we get all the new parts on there, I don't know how much of that we will be able to film depending on how much time I have, because work right now is awful, man. So many hours I gotta put in to afford all of this stuff. But yeah. But anyways, that is it. Perrin front mount intercooler is fully installed. A lot more to come with this car. You guys will see. But anyways, I'm gonna enjoy some curvy roads. Thanks for watching, and we will talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys. Oh, yeah. A little wet right here. I'm just really confident in the corners.